Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Universe Revealed. Today's episode is about 6 facts of the Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the greatest relic of ancient Egypt and one of the most iconic on earth, which is not just marvelous but also full of innumerable secrets and puzzles. Even scientists also muddled and couldn't find answers of who was the real builder of this great construction. Human or alien? Such an astonishing of mathematical genius. In this episode, we have gathered decades worth of facts including myths and theories for you. Let's take a look at 6 facts of the Great Pyramid of Giza. First, pocket of energy. Many people may know about pyramid as the tomb of Pharaoh, but not many people know that the Great Pyramid may be source of energy for ancient Egyptians or something else. According to the documents of Russian scientists have discovered, the Great Pyramid of Giza can collect and concentrate electromagnetic energy in its chambers and bays. Between the investigation of the walls, they found out the high electromagnetic energy around the Great Pyramid of Giza, leading to a lot of theories, as this is a masterpiece of energy to create electricity, same as Tesla energy. Russian researchers did extended study by making a pyramid model for checking the response of electromagnetic energy and found that pyramid can concentrate great energy and distribute to any chambers before directing through the base of pyramid. That makes the cave at the base of it have full of strong energy. For what? The answer is still not clear. Some archaeologists believe that for dispense to the community all around. If this idea is true, it means the ancient Egyptian already used electricity since long time ago, before the modern age could found out how to create electric. Then electricity is a new founder or based on an old innovation. Some believe that the purpose of building pyramid, which can create high energy, that could be for charging devices or alien ships, perhaps on the top of pyramid. After the aliens left our world, they didn't need them anymore. Ancient Egyptians who didn't know how to use or control it just used this amazing establishment as tomb for their king and queen. Second, pyramid in math. One of the wonder of pyramid is not just its enormous architecture, but the structure that include width and height of it, which coherent of the distance between earth and universe as correct as marvelous. Such as, if we use the length of pyramid base multiply by 2 and raise to the power 8, you will get the length of the radius of the sun. The height of the pyramid raised to the power 9 will equal exact distance between earth and sun, and the radius of the earth orbits around the sun. If you use weight of the pyramid raised to the power 8 will be number of our earth's mass. The curve of the pyramid also equal the earth's radius. However, all of these didn't have any official record, as if they were built by intention or just coincidence. But for Napoleon, in this world never have something which is called coincidence. How about you? Again, if all of these come from the intention of builders to make the size and weight of the pyramid corresponds with the fact about earth and sun, where was the knowledge the ancient Egyptian got from? Third, the secret material. Do you ever get a question about the type of materials that were used to build pyramid? How come they still stay strong until now, even past over 4,000 years, through storm and bad climates? Because of these, curious scientists marched to Giza to find the answer they wanted. The answer is, it's a special limestone, which structure of any blocks are airy, also has an ability same as clay. Mixed with microcrystalline gypsum. Even now, these blocks still releasing the shining pyrite out by the moisture inside pyramid. To build the pyramid, builders also used a technique same as we use concrete now. And even scientists try to analyze until get the mixtures of the blocks. But still can't rebuild the blocks same as one used to build the pyramid. Fourth, the real builder behind the pyramid. Any construction on earth always have the architectural record and history. Just a few constructions that are still mysterious. The Great Pyramid of Giza is one of those. Its height 131 meters. Any blocks weighted between 2.5 to 15 ton. Just one block already more weight than an elephant. Even by the modern technology, it's hard to build the pyramid. Which leading to the question, how on earth the ancient Egyptians from 4,500 years ago could make this giant strong pyramid with a lot of details. Some details humans just found out now. The suspicion lead to conspiracy theory such as, are the aliens real builder of the Great Pyramid? Supporting theories they use is ancient Egyptians lived their life on agriculture with old technology. For them to calculate movement and situate of astronomy sounds pretty impossible. Any details of the pyramid absolutely related with it. All these genius ideas came from where? Including the speed of light, 299,792,458 miles per second. Also coordinate of the Great Pyramid of Giza at 29.9792458 north degree. The Great Pyramid of Giza are pretty straight and aligned almost perfectly along with the cardinal points north, south, east, west of the Orion's belt. This makes many people confident as humans from the past should not have ability to do something like this. The theory alien built the pyramid is believed extensively. Even Elon Musk used to tweet, aliens built the pyramid obviously. How about you guys? What do you think? Fifth, the pyramid have 8 sides. One of the secret of the pyramid was hidden is the base of pyramid was not made square as it seemed. Because the front side of the west has more length than east around 14.1 centimeter. It may seem nothing if compared with the enormous size of it, but if you think about the Great Giza, which is built by alignment of the Orion Belt star and represent many knowledge between the sun and earth exactly, could this mistake happen? Or is it just another intention to tell us something more? Normal pyramids that we always find have 4 sides. Even the Great Giza, if you see by eye or from picture, you will also see it has just 4 sides. The fact was found out first time by Fiddler Fitley, an Egyptianist, discovered the special physical structure of the pyramid, while Andre Pocon, the physicist, found out the average concavity of any side around 0.92 meters, which are not regular for any pyramid. Until 1940, a captain who flied airplane past the giant pyramid noticed something strange and took the picture of it. That picture showed as the pyramid really has an indent. However, anyone who would like to see the 8 sides of the pyramid has to look down from the sky on equinox day. The day, night, and noon is equally separated. The equinoxes are the only time when both the northern and southern hemisphere experience roughly equal amounts of daytime and nighttime. Why? What was the builder's intention? Did they need to communicate with someone or something from sky on universe? Well, until now, the real answer never got proved by anyone. Sixth, the sundial. Many people may not know another amazing fact of the Great Giza, apart from many surprises revealed. It's also a giant sundial. This remarkable structure was built with such ingenuity that it can actually tell time. The shadows that fall on marks made in the stone tell the hour. The pyramid can also signal solstices and equinoxes that helped the ancient Egyptian mark the solar year. Amazing, isn't it? What do you think about all of these facts of the Great Pyramid? For me, if it wasn't built by aliens as conspiracy theory, it must be one of the great evidence as ancient humans must also have technology not less than us now, or even more. That's all for today. I'll be back soon with more interesting facts. Subscribe to help our channel grow. If you like the video, then don't forget to like and share. Make sure to hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss our new episodes. Thanks so much for being with us.